Hi, I'm Sean from Rezt in Rezt Interior.
Hi, I'm Jeff. Today we'd like to show you a 5-room resale unit at Ming area. Welcome to have a look. Here is the entrance area. Previously, this is a full white wall, and we hacked down half wall and make it glass panels to make the area look more bigger. Here is the living area. We will keep a TV feature wall and a TV console, and also we designed the false ceiling come with the cove light effect. Previously, there is a sliding door in between the balcony and living area. We hacked down the sliding door and we make the entire area look much more bigger. Here's the kitchen area. We did a L-shaped kitchen cabinet, come with the cedar stone kitchen top. And also we hide the washing machine behind the cabinet area.
Welcome to the master bedroom, and this is the divider we are custom made. This design for the master bedroom. This is the daughter's room. Come and take a look at our full height cabinet over here. You can tell this is the sliding door. We come with a pull out mirror inside the cabinet. Yeah, if you want to take out the mirror, then you pull out. If you want, just push it in. We will build one cabinet over here, then combine to the study area and the top hung cabinet. In Resale, we believe once a customer, always a customer. Thank you for watching.